Hello everyone. Myself Nikhil Gaddamidi. I'm 25 years old. I'm just done with my post graduation. So I'd like to discuss today what I have learned and what actually the total outcomes of my when I'm done with my major project. When I got into the Federation University Australia. Back home, from Hyderabad, world class city. When it comes to my master's in Federation University, I pursued my master's in Federation University in information technology. When it comes to my major in enterprise system and business management. So I was really very excited about my first class, and at the beginning, of course, I was very excited, and I was very eager to know what actually will be going through, what is the subject will be going through. We got different type of courses, and yes. And also honestly, I didn't expect the way I came out, because like the way I used to think before was really totally different, when it comes to the other. Like before it was totally different, and I passed, when the years passed through, when the semesters gone through, when I gone through different courses, I've learned, in the each course I gained something, because as an ITN, as a normal person, how we look the world, and as an ITN, how we need to look the world from our perspective, the way we think, the way we think, and the knowledge we share with the world tomorrow should be a very unique, because like what I've learned is, like everyone run. Like everyone will be doing it for money. Everyone will be. It's not about money. As an IGN, as what we learn, we need to share our knowledge. There is a quote called like. Processed data is process information, and process information is knowledge, process knowledge is wisdom. That should come out within the world. Also, we need to share everything with this world. um, and what else, yes, there are a lot of outcomes. I'm like, I started thinking in a different way. Line, for example, see, if for example I know what I'm like, if it is a daily routine work, I need to plan it daily. Like for example, if I need to take up a project, like if buying a car in my life, getting a house, these are all big projects. Now I know. Like, okay, I need to look with this perspective when I'm approaching little things, and when I'm approaching big things. Yeah, I need to now. I'll plan differently. So, do I need to go with the best one, or do I need to go with the luxurious? Do I need to go with? This is an example what I'm sharing right now, because the learning outcomes are totally different when I was pursuing my masters, when I was going through, when I was climbing step by step, when I was getting to know the things. Yeah, it's pretty much excited. I going through different steps, and till I reached recently, when I'm done with my major project. It was in every course, I came up with a different thing, big data, or actually the information, how the softwares are getting connected, how the softwares are helping this world, and I'm till reaching out with to the major project as well. And when I started my major project, we were working on application for the Desi Super World market for. And yes, what all we learned, I was teamed up with software engineering students. They were coming up with the coding, because just because I'm an enterprise system student. I started sharing all my things. So I worked as a front-end manager. Yes. So because of this COVID-19, the extreme danger coronavirus, which was spreading rapidly in this world, uh, which has impacted this world totally, where there was a huge loss. The economy of the countries came down. Even the US, the cities like New York and China, most of the Italy, European countries, not even a single, every corner of the world was affected because of this corona. Everything got down. It's so sad. I'm like, I don't want to speak much about it, but yes, how as an ITN I should look into the words, look into this as what should be my vision, what should be my project scope, what are we going to take up, okay, how are we gonna help, okay, we are, our task was given a sign like a customer should get the delivery to home. So how as an ITN, okay, through an application that would be the medium between a customer and the supermarket. Supermarket can run the business with the less staff in from store, without in store, and the customer can pick it up easily without going to the store. So these are the good outcomes that I mean, like when the challenges like Corona that were challenging the world, that are coming into this world. This is how the outcome which we were going through. And yes, so the five key things what I learned is would like to take a decision before taking a decision is okay, first I'll be stating the problem. So what actually the problem statement is, what is the thing, okay, then I'll be going with universal thinking, unique thinking, yeah, okay, how differently should I think, okay, and also I need to I'll be going with approaching different ideas, how differently can I approach through this, what would be the easiest way to get it done, so in that way. And yes, also looking at all the solutions, what are the possible solutions, we'll be working on it. Yes, and also I would like to also go through, yes, at the same time, when we were doing major project, the as I already told you, discuss regarding what how actually coping up with the lectures, friends, and the university staff, like parents, everyone really, because these friends, lectures, and parents are the key ones in our life, because they play a major role in our life, in the whole life. So these are the things what we learn, because when I used to be until when back home, there was a lot of pampering, I used to take everything for granted, nothing much I can discuss about it, I don't want to go into that, but still, people change, memories won't, yes. So after when we were going through this, I as an individual, I got an idea being an enterprise system, enterprise and business management student. So I really looked into this world a bit differently, with all my experience, what I've learned and through all my courses, I thought of applying it, and I started working on my personally, without regardless of this major project. Again, on the other side, I started making up a team personally in my life. I just kept a goal of making an application. So same, not in this way, but an application that would help from the business perspective, where they can clear what actually the thing happens in the retail markets is, there'll be many more n number of lines in the sense, they got n number of different categories in the store. So in store, what actually happens is they got limited customers, and only the customers who used to go there, they'll be only coming into the store. And what I found is, okay, there is no sale going on some products, okay, how can we do it, how can the sale be happen, how can we sell the products. So ensure when it is not going, okay, clearance, that simply dumping it in the bin, so I don't want that to be happen. So I thought of making up in a process, working, taking up an application, working as a team. I thought of I came up with this idea. Okay, why don't we go take it online? Why don't we take it online? So by taking it online, we can take it through all the customers, where we can create an application for all the retail stores, connecting it. All the clearance signs will be coming over there. The price drop will be there. So in that way, we can clear the maximum to the maximum, depending upon our advertising style. So in that way, I applied all my thoughts, and I came up with this idea. uh, this was my learning outcome. Our lectures were really very excellent. I do remember everyone. Different memories, different. These are all priceless. I thank you very much for everyone who were there in my life. till I came as a postgraduate. It's a really a very beautiful memory in my life. This is end of my education body most probably. So I'd like to thank each and everyone. Yes, thank you again. I would like to thank Federation University Australia as well. Really, I really feel very proud of my thing today, being uh, first one to come out as a graduate from my family. I really thank my parents. Without them, it would have been impossible. Thanks, mom and dad. Thanks, Federation University. Thank you, our lecturers. Thank you, friends. Thank you, everyone. A very big thank you.